welcome back. This is Kim with another step-by-step lesson. This video is part 2 to what I did yesterday, which was about backing up your computer. I showed a couple different ways on how to use the built-in tools inside of Windows to back up your files. I hope that you went and got a drive and configured your backup, because it's super important and I would hate for you to lose valuable files. So today I'm going to show you how to restore from those backups that you created hopefully yesterday or whenever you watch this other video. If you haven't watched it yet, I'm going to hope that you find it and watch it, because it showed how to actually back up your computer. So this is restoring, this video today. So the easiest way to get to where the backup is let's just do it this way. Go to your search box down here, type in backup, click on backup settings. It'll take you right to the page. So I showed 2 different ways how to use the Windows 10 file history backup, and then also how to do the old backup and restore that was in Windows 7 that people still use now. So I'm going to show you both ways. So first one we'll do is this file history. So I basically, here, I'm going to show you. I edited the folders that I wanted backed up. I excluded a lot of folders because I don't want to save all these things. What's important to me is my desktop, my pictures, documents, camera roll, and saved pictures. These 2 are in the pictures directory, so I probably could have gotten rid of these, but pictures, documents, and my desktop is all I really care about when I do a backup. But if you're a gamer, you might want to save, there's a saved games, so just right here. Downloads you never want to back up, because you can just go download them again. Don't waste space on your backup. So anyways, so now this is how you set up the backup. But to get those files that you set to back up, so they're on this drive. Remember, we set up the drive. We formatted it and we created this backup drive. So this is the Windows 7 backup folder. This file history is this one here. You wouldn't probably do both normally. I just wanted to show you both. So this is this bottom one, and this file history is this one. So to go to file history, you just click on it, and it's taking you through the directory of where your actual data is. So we're going to go to data, then your C drive, users, because this is all the stuff that I backed up. C, users, Kim. Here's my desktop, here's my documents, and here's my pictures. So if I go wherever you go, well, let's go to desktop. That's probably better. Desktop, and files. There's some files in there. They have dates of when they were backed up. 10/25, 20 at 1739. This was at 1739. Let's go. Where do I have other stuff? And this was later. This one was at 2152. Oh, so this is 2017. That's what time it was. It's 10/25. This is not the year. This is actually the time. So 2017. So what you would just do is go to the file that you wanted. Let's say this was the file I wanted, and then you just copy it over wherever it was supposed to be. So this is saved on the external drive, but you want it on your computer. You can just drag it to your desktop and then put it wherever you want it. So if that was the file that disappeared, you want to get from your backup, it's that easy. You just go find it on the drive under the data folder, and then drag it out. So that's using file history. So you look at the date and you find the newest one, that's the one you want. I'm going to show you how to restore here. So this one's a little more involved, but it gives you multiple times to choose from. Takes a second to come up. This was created for Windows 7, so it's a little bit slower of a process, a little bit slower program, but it does work. We just have to wait for it to come up. And meanwhile, while we're waiting, I wanted to talk to you about business backup. So what I was showing you the previous video was about backing up your personal computer. If you have a business that you need to back up your data, these little things built into the computer are probably not going to be your best bet. You need a commercial solution, either remote backup or you can have a backup server that connects to a remote location. And I'm not sure what's taking this so long here. Let's try it again. It doesn't usually take that long. Let's try one more time. Click on it and see. There we go. I'm not sure. Maybe I didn't click it last time. So anyways, this is more for a personal, this software here. You wouldn't probably use this for a business because, first of all, you'd have a lot more data and you need a more secure, redundant backup. So if you'd like more information about that, comment below. I'll send you some more information. I'll probably do a video about that later, but right now I'm just focusing on individuals. So anyways, okay, so we did backup now. That's how we did the backup. Now we're going to go here to restore my files. You can restore all of them, but we don't want them all. So we're going to go here to restore. And now I'm going to browse. So it says here, all files are restored to their latest version. Because I only have one backup. I only did it one time. If you've done it multiple times, you'll have different dates, but they would be listed here. Okay, so I'm going to browse for files. So here's my backup of my C drive. You double click, it's the same thing. We're just going to go to it, wherever it is. Desktop. And this was, I had not made that other stuff folder yet. So the only thing that was backed up was everything that was already on my hard drive. So once you find what it is that you want, let's say we want this. So you click on it and click add file. So now that file is going to be restored. But let's say there was another one. Let's go in, let's get something else. Let's put that one. So we'll add file. So these two files are going to be restored. So now you just go down. You could also do the same thing for folders, but we're just going to get these two files. They're the only ones that we're looking for. Then you click next, and this will put it back in the original location, or you can pick a new location. What I like to do sometimes is create a new location. Let's see, let's browse. Let's put it on the desktop. Let's make a new folder called From Backup. Okay, so it's going to put it on my desktop in this folder right here that I just created. You can have it put in the original location, which is fine. I just like to do this because I like to look at them and know that they really came and it's the right version that I want, and I don't want to have to go search for it. So then click restore, and it doesn't take long. It's done. Say finish. Open up the folder, and those are the two folders, the two files that I wanted. So now I can put them wherever I want them. I can put them back where they were. I can move them somewhere else. I can do whatever I want. So, so you see, you have two really simple ways of restoring your files that you backed up. The backup process was very easy. It's automated now, so my computer's gonna update itself and back up automatically the schedule that I set. And anytime I'm missing a file or I accidentally delete something, I can go back and get from my backup. So it's a super, well, I keep saying it's important. It's so important because if you lose your files, especially pictures, you can't reproduce them. unless you still have them on your phone or something. But pictures are priceless and irreplaceable for most people. And you hear it over and over again how people, oh my gosh, I didn't back up. Now I need those files. And they go to a data recovery software or they go to a service that charges hundreds of dollars. And sometimes they can't even get their files for them. So they've not only spent all this money on data recovery, they don't get what they want back. It's so easy to be proactive and just set up a backup. It really is a easy solution to a problem that hopefully you'll never have. So anyways, that's it for today. I hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you would like some information on business backup, please also comment below. So yeah, that's it for today. Bye-bye.